My son said, "Dad, nobody's interested in videos of what Wally's having for lunch." Nobody's interested, but I don't know, I'll put it up anyway, see what you guys reckon. A pensioner's lunch in Thailand, so why am I living here? In Australia it would be a pie and a can of Coke. The same money. Controversial, shut up. This is a restaurant, we just stopped in for some lunch in our hometown. It's nice here, somebody's had a big feed there, they've left. They've got these little grass sailors. This is not a tourist place, there's no tourists, they're all just locals. It's a nice little spot. This is just a typical place where you can come and have some lunch in a smaller town in central Thailand. I just filmed here, it's been a group of people that have left. That's typical Thailand, how everybody eats. You get the central dish and then you share it out amongst everybody's plates. You have all the little sauces. A little thing there is for sticky rice, that little woven bamboo thing. That's just what it is. And then up the end there, right up the end there, you got the little table for drinks. It works really well. And some dragon fruits and some bananas. Tropical paradise in the bush block next door. Hairdresser shop across the road. That's heading up towards where we live. That's heading into town. But there we go, that's what it looks like from the outside. Wat Po, the temple of the bats, just up there, 200 metres. And then a little restaurant here. Very good, we've been here quite a bit, it's good. That's it. Yummy. Very good. This is a flan papaya salad. It doesn't have crabs crushed up in it. Sometimes you get dried small shrimps, no chilies for me, and no crabs. They're just pulverised crabs, fresh crabs, black crabs pulverised up in it. Thai people love them. And they also use the fermented sauce, which smells like the bottom of a fishing esky after it's been in the sun for a week, but they know lungs don't like that, so I use fish sauce, no black crabs crunched up. It's bloody beautiful. A little bit of roast, what's that one darling, pork? Moo or beef? Beef. A little bit of beef and some cucumbers. That's a spicy beef one. Oh, crabs, black crabs. Eat black crabs. Hey, and guess what happens in Thailand? I'm just about to say this is a very good feed, and look what happens. We've got a beautiful big barbecued catfish. Wow, not a bad size. This is considered a not expensive lunch, just a lunch. It's not sticky rice and a couple of bits of cut up chicken, that's very cheap. This will probably be 300 bahts, maybe 15 bucks all up, soda water and a Coke. That's the way it is here. Lovely. Look at that. Very soon I'll be eating my own cucumbers. The garden's going along fantastic for you guys watching that video. I've got long beans coming already. I'm going to go home this afternoon to plant some papaya seedlings. Oh, bloody beautiful. Look at it. My son said, "Dad, nobody's interested in videos of what Wally's having for lunch." Nobody's interested, but I don't know, I'll put it up anyway, see what you guys reckon. A pensioner's lunch in Thailand, so why am I living here? In Australia it would be a pie and a can of Coke. The same money. Controversial, shut up. See ya. There we go, 250 bahts for a beautiful feed. 250 bahts would be $10 and $11. $11 and some change in Australia. $11 and some change for enough feed for 2 people and drinks. Okay, that sums it up pretty well. See yous, bye. And now we've got a portable food man going home. He's done his day's work.